So let's try out our new sourdough starter. As I said, it looks pretty good. We're going to do our white flour starter in here because the jar needs a clean. And all I'm going to do is pop it on the scale. We'll zero the scale. Come in and have a look. So there we go. We've got it zeroed. I have my old one here. And we're going to take about 60 grams out of here. Boop. Might make it 100. Yeah, we'll make it 100 because 60 grams is a little bit small. There we go. It's about 100 grams. The rest of this is going to go out, and we shall clean that jar up. So let's get our strong white flour out. We'll now lift that up to zero it again. And we want to add 150 grams of flour. Could do 200, but that'll make up too much. Okay, that's about right. So 120 of flour and zero again, 120 of water. Straight from the kettle after it's cooled. There you go, 120 of water. 129, doesn't matter. It's near enough. So I'll give that a stir with our new spatula. Make sure it's all properly mixed in. Right sort of consistency, which it is. Scrape the sides down. How well does it scrape? Very well. I've got to get a tissue on, not tissue, I'm going to get a Scott towel, just clean those edges up so we avoid the caked on hard dry stuff that we got in that other one. We'll put our cheesecloth top on it, leave it out and see how we go. So let me just clean that up. Not perfectly clean, but it'll do. And now we'll just adjust our band down to where the level is, about there, and we shall move it to Friday at about 10 o'clock. And there we have it. No, we don't. I forgot. Pop our temperature gauge on it, put our cap on top, and we'll see how we go. So there's our temperature gauge, which is not very easy to read, but now we're ready to go. All right, pop him away and clean all this up. I'll come back and show you if he's grown. So there we go, all done. I've transferred my white flour starter into here, and I've just fed it. We have a look. See if there's a temperature on here showing. Still not showing any temperature, so I'm not sure these temperature gauges are much use. So you can see there's no colour change unless it's below 20 degrees in here, 18 degrees, which I don't think it is. So we'll set our timer up. And I last fed it Wednesday about 11 AM. And it's ready to go. And there he is in there. You can just see some of the bubbles starting to form down there. So it's only been going for an hour since its last feed, but that should come good. What do you reckon of the jars? You bought these yourself? If you have, let me know in the comments what you think of them. I reckon for the $10 to $20, they're really good value, and it keeps things nice and neat. We shall make another lot of bread soon. I might even have it with cheese. Undersalted Gouda, that is. Boo-booed. But I had a taste and it's still okay. I'll link to the video tasting that if you like. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.